Hi luxurious queens, welcome to my channel, and today I will be sharing a very valuable find from the auction house. And guess what? It is an Hermes item mint in box. For those of you new, hello, my name is Lokie and I love hunting pre-love, thrifting and chatting all about Hermes and vintage luxury. So if you love content like this, then I welcome you to subscribe and join my corner, and it would be fantastic if you also hit that bell to get updates when I upload new videos. Okay, who's excited to find out what I got this time? Also, do leave your guesses down in the comment section on what you think it could be. So, wind back a few months ago where I scored a gorgeous Longchamp bag for $20, which I will leave the link of that video up here and down in the description section below. In this video, I went through the auction process and bidding process and how to view the items. So this time round, and being smarter, I decided to try my beginner's luck again, but of course with some homework. Now, are you ready? I guess from the box you can already tell what it is. Let's see. Well, we will do the unboxing together then. So, super gorgeous. Look at this. It's very nice, isn't it? Just look at that. Wow. So this is the gorgeous Vive Le Vent 90 by 90 centimeter silk scarf. Now it was the beautiful swirls of sea blues and purples with the greens that blew me away when I saw this scarf listed on the auction site, and I knew I had to win this. Now this scarf belongs to the 1992 Year by the Sea collection, which was the theme for the year at Hermes. It was designed by the talented Laurence Thioune, who is also otherwise known as Tootsie, and the more I read about her, the more I loved her works. I will show you a couple of scarf designs she has done for Hermes, and they are so gorgeous. So we will talk about that later in the video. Now, I don't speak French, but I always love to find out what the name of this scarf means. In French, Jingle Bells is called Vive Le Vent, and literally translates to Long Live the Wind. So using a bit of imagination, this beautiful scarf will take us to the four corners of the world. Taking you back in time to 1992, I am going to read you how Hermes introduced this scarf in the Lokie Hermes Paris booklet. This scarf ripples in the wind like a flag unfurled, chests spilled out to match the great expanse of ocean. We are on board one of those brave vessels of heroic times, plowing the main in full sail, in search of distant horizons, conjuring up adventure and cheer poetry. Whether man of war or merchantman, the king of the high seas cuts through the foam-tipped waves, and a lusty sea shanty fills the air. Now, let's look at this piece of artwork by Tootsie. Right, so we are filming by the window because we get the best sunlight here, and this is the scarf, 90 by 90 centimeters, and it's so large it has taken up the entire couch. So let's just have a look at the top. From top down, we have Vive Le Vent, which also means jingle bells or long live the wind. And I love these waves, which look so realistic. I love all this, the rope design, which actually borders the entire scarf, and of course all these ropes timed through, which looks so beautiful and very nautical theme. These are like the anchors, and it's symmetrical, and I really love how symmetrical it is. Now moving down to the center of the scarf design, so we have more like the steering wheel of the ship, and let's have a look at this centerpiece. And what do we see? So it says Capricorn here, and there is Sagittarius, and of course it looks more like a sundial with like the like a clock face, 12, 1, 2, and all around. And then this is probably the main ship with of course the intricate waves and all the countries on the side. Love it. Now further down is this really brilliant, very vibrant colored of all the flags and two eagles on the side, symmetrical as well, and more realistic waves below. Okay, now let's zoom out and have a look at the sails on the corners, like here and there, and the four corners. Actually, even at the 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock position, we also have the sails, which look so gorgeous. So let's just look at one of the sails. They are all different in terms of design. So this is the one on the bottom half, and then going up you have the symmetrical waves like this on each corner. And this is, I think this is just like a regular sail, but it doesn't look that interesting. And then the top one, you have the green waves, which is really pretty, and a different flag this time round, right? And then moving across to the next one on this corner, well, we have another type of sail with another type of flag with it. Okay, I also love how realistic the sky is. I'm not sure whether this is digitally printed, but it is super gorgeous. This is a regular sail again, and this is the other sail on the bottom left. I think this sail is probably the nicest in my opinion, because it has really detailing of the body of the sail, and there you go. So this one looks pretty grand in my opinion. So this is how I fell in love with the scarf at the auction. What do you think, guys? It's a beautiful artwork piece. I mean, I can use it to like a centerpiece, just to hang on the wall, or even to wear it as a scarf. I think it would go either way. Now, the auction price for this piece started at a low 100 Singapore dollars, and of course, too good to be true for an Hermes scarf, but I managed to score it at about $240, which is such a great bargain in my opinion. I will show you the original listing on the corner here and scroll through the pictures I was given at the beginning of the auction, and you can tell how beautiful the colors look in general. The blues and the greens with purples go so well together, plus I don't recall having a purple or green scarf in my collection yet. So this was such an awesome piece to add to my Hermes silk collection. I chanced upon this Hermes scarf blog, which I will share the link in the description section below if any of you are keen. It details the many beautiful series of vintage scarves produced by Hermes and the artists. I have never owned a piece by Laurence Thioune or Tootsie, and now I do, and I am so happy to have one of her artwork in my collection. So this scarf block features the variety of beautiful designs by Tootsie, and I really love the overall aesthetics and use of colors in her work. You can also see how detailed her designs are, with color shadings and symmetry, which are so pleasing to the eye. I have enlarged some scarves when I scroll through, which have caught my attention. Some of her work also I have noticed, depicts a scenery or setting with beautiful colorways, or even just pure symmetry of ferns and feathers. I am a huge lover of detail and prints, so her artwork is just amazing to me. Most of her designs are very busy and vibrant in color, which I love. Of course, from the same block, you can also see this same scarf in different colorways like blue, red, bright orange, and yellows, etc. Unfortunately, I think the green one is quite rare and I don't see it listed anywhere else. One of the other gorgeous designs is the Tropics scarf, which is the pink one, which is a very busy print and has a border of horses around it with purple pelicans on the center of the design. And of course, I will keep scrolling through the rest for you to appreciate all the other scarves by her. Another piece which I like and hope to add to my collection is the Aloha one, because of the colors it has. It has such a tropical vibe with a center tree of life with tropical birds, coconut trees and palm trees. Well, I really cannot wait to wear this scarf out and try out the many ways to wear it and match it. I hope you enjoyed this video and this little bit of history. To me, it is always an eye-opener how amazing and gorgeous the vintage artworks can be, and this beautiful vintage find from the auction house is definitely a keeper and a treasure of a find. Thank you for watching today, and I hope you subscribe to my channel and have a blessed week, Queens, and take care.